Back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the explanation of the summary in the lesson how the coronavirus sparked a wave of innovation in India. See, as everyone, we all have faced the pandemic situation in the previous years in 2020. So in that coronavirus pandemic situations, what are the various innovations India has been taken? So this is the thing we are discussing in this lesson, ma. So how the coronavirus sparked a wave of innovation in India was written by Srivas Sahasranamam. Okay, so the author of this lesson is Srivas Sahasranamam. So this lesson you can write it by your own, as we are the real examples. We know what is happened at that time. Yes, we all are aware about that pandemic situation. So everything we will discuss in this summary. Okay, students. So right now, about the author, compulsory you need to learn it. Okay, so Srinivas Sahasranamam is an Indian poet and Indian writer. He has done his PhD in Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. Okay, so he is the associate professor of innovation and entrepreneurship in Hunter Center of Entrepreneurship. See here, the students, about the author, whatever is there you need to learn it, because whatever he achieved, when he was born, when he was died, like everything, whatever the circumstances, whatever the things will be there related to the author, that we need to as just remember, you can't write by your own. So where he studied, when he was born, where he was born, okay, what that the academic qualification. Yes, so the Srinivas Sahasranamam, he is a very good like poet, very good the narrator. Okay, he has written some of the entrepreneurships, and he has done his PhD, and regarding that he was very inspired in communications and teaching the commercialization of technology. Means right now, whatever the students, whatever the youngsters who are want to take the startups, for that how you need to sustain in this global market, everything he was done that teaching classes also. So about the author you need to learn it, ma. So what is the theme of the summary? Okay, so the prose, this is the prose lesson. So the thing in this lesson, we are learning the how coronavirus, that how COVID-19 affected the pandemic. Okay, so like government is affected, individuals is affected, companies is affected, everybody is affected rather than anything. Okay, so in that circumstances, what are the various methods, what are the various techniques, what are the various tools we have followed to survive? Yes, that all we will discuss right now, ma. So coming back to the summary, the coronavirus pandemic has undoubtedly been a global crisis affecting economies, healthcare systems, and people daily lives. So as we all know, as coronavirus is affected globally, as we have affected, healthcare is affected, as we have seen many of the patients, many of the people are affected with this virus, and when they were reaching the hospitals, that time beds is also not there. So that much we have affected, and lockdown were there, and we have also faced a lot of things for being like being at home only. Okay, so the financial crisis also has been happened, no. The crisis has turned the world upside down. The whole world became upside and down. Okay, so every country is faced a disadvantage by this coronavirus. So everything has been impacted. Yes, so every aspect of our life has been affected, everything was affected. Finally, whatever the COVID-19 has been there, in that cases, in that situation, we have developed some innovations is nothing but something new we have innovated. We have got to know that. Okay, we have innovated means in that we will get the scientists or researchers, everybody will get, not we. Okay, so here in this innovation there are various sectors in India, like entrepreneurs, businessmen, and whatever the main top people will be there, no, in our country. So everybody is posed like a challenge to save the pandemic situation in India. Okay, so in that innovations there are many things which has been solved with that limited resources, as we are having a limited resources, yes or no? So because anybody, like, we are unable to step outside, so financially we will be like around, we have faced a lot of things, yes. So here are some whatever the ways which we have innovated in our country. Means when we have got the pandemic situation, this is the thing we have innovated in our country. What is that innovations? Means around the world, social distancing and contact tracing have been buzzwords of the response to COVID-19. So as we all know, we have maintained a social distance, yes, and something contact tracing, like for example, your friend stays in Secunderabad and you stays in LB Nagar, your friend got coronavirus, okay, in that cases what police people, medical people has been invested, whether you have, for whom you have met, for whom you have met, means if your friend says your, means definitely that is the contract tracing. You will also go, you will also go for the testing also, no, this one, if one person is affected, throughout the colonies, we have got to know that red zone area, yes, these are all things we have got to know, no. So that only you need to write it, okay. So lockdown has been there, okay. Lockdown, when, why we have followed lockdown things, that time people will not come outside, that time there will be a huge difference to stop the virus, okay. Virus will spread, no. So that time airports, everything, bus stations, railway stations, everything was were locked down, yes, as we all remembered. So that is the thing. Next one, the triple hexel model of innovation. This is the model name, triple hexel model innovation. This whatever is there, this is the combination of universities, industries and government. So that some organizations has financially helped for the government, okay, for the new innovations, for the new developments in the departments, okay. So that time the government department also use the technology, okay. So rapid testing of the virus, they have conducted free rapid testing of the virus, and there are the news channels also which helped for the normal people to understand about the this virus pandemic time, okay. So that time whatever the public places are there, whatever the startups are there, whatever the things are there, hand sanitizer we have used, and we have used the mask, yes, everything we have used. So offices, everything was isolated, yes or no? So this is the Indian government has been taken a app, okay. Indian government has developed the app at that time, that is the called Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu is the app name which is developed by Indian government during the COVID-19. It has been launched with the help of GPS and with the help of Bluetooth. That app will be able to identify the people who are in the risk of this coronavirus. So this is the thing, these are the main innovation we have done, no. Yes, and there are the remaining apps like Clinic app and Practo provide COVID-19 test at home and online consultation with doctors. So everything has been happened, everything will be developed, yes or no? So whatever the startups are there, whatever the government is used to track the people at drones, to they will monitor the people with the drones. Why? Because with the help of drones, the police people will get to know that where is the people are having social gatherings. In that time also, even if the marriages is also there, there will be a limit of 20 or 50 people, yes. So social distancing we have followed, everything we have followed, no. So and the last one about this lesson you need to include is FICCI, that is Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. So this FICCI has organized a hackdown in solutions, okay. So these are the various things we have launched in this pandemic time, no. The hygiene of the public people, the hygiene maintenance of the individual peoples at their homes, everything we have followed, and and at last the researchers and the scientists has been inquired and has been investigated, and they have medicated some so-called medicines, that is called Corona Shield, Covaxin or Covishield. So yes, with the help of these vaccines, any individual who is affected with the coronavirus will be able to survive the life and remove that, to get the rid of that coronavirus with the help of these vaccines. Yes, so the final conclusion part of this lesson is what are the innovations has been done. Seema, social distancing, hygiene maintenance, and triple hexal model, and government has launched a app that is called Arogya Setu. In that app we can able to find out the GPS and Bluetooth tracking where the public gatherings has been happened. This is also innovation only, no? So this is the all the things, and the vaccine has been we have got to know. So these are the various things which we have innovated because of coronavirus only. We have got to know this everything, no? So Seema, if we can speak means, before coronavirus nobody we used that mask anything. Yes, so that time, this corona time, there is a spark of the innovation. Okay, there is the new development of the innovation. So that is the lesson. Okay, so this is what Sahasranamam, the author of this lesson, was want to express to you all. Okay, so this is all about the lesson ma. I hope that you have got clarity. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section, and how you felt about the video also please do comment. See you all in next video. Bye bye students.